I don't know. I don't buy that much in regular stores other than grocery stores and thrift stores and things like that. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and leave my glasses on for now because I don't think the glare is too bad. I've got what we need, right? So let me just share this with you. I've got our little, ooh, I'm dropping my bag. I've got our little candle deal here. So I'm going to go ahead and light our candle so that'll be a nice glow in the background. We've got our beeswax candle in here. I don't know that I have it trimmed short enough. I don't think I do. Let's see if I can just break it off. I'm not dimming. Oh yeah, I did. There, we're good. We're really good. That was really serendipitous. So here's our candle with, I've trimmed it to, just was able to snap it off to 1/4 inch. And so let me do our match. These matches are really pretty. And then I'm going to just show you while I light it. If I can do both at the same time. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I wanted to share that with you. I didn't want to do that off screen because I thought you would enjoy it and the glow that it casts back on the little card. I just thought that was so nice. Hopefully this will be relaxing for you. Maybe you could watch this as you're either taking some time to relax or about to go to sleep at night, because I think this is relaxing, kind of a little way to just, you know, move through the day from one task to another with a little intermission, talking to your friend Patty at Giddy Things. So let's go ahead and open the IPSY and get that done. And I've even forgotten what's in here, but I know it was all stuff that I was going to get anyway. And I will take my glasses off because they're starting to reflect. So I got the Skin Gem reusable eye patches. I'm really excited about this. Can you see that? Skin Gem. And here's the back of that. Try to keep the light off of that. There that is. Okay, so the Skin Gem reusable eye patches. I was really excited. I've been meaning to get these eye patches, not necessarily this brand, but they were on IPSY and they were a super good deal for a while. And so Recharge, Revive, Reuse, our reusable eye patches help to wake up your under eyes. I need that. In the most convenient and eco-friendly way, designed to be used with your favorite eye care products. So I guess I would put I would slug on top of my eye cream with some Vaseline and put that on, or maybe that would be too much moisture retention. I don't know. But put a thin layer of your eye serum or cream and wait 10 seconds. So I guess you put on the eye serum or cream and wait 10 seconds. So I don't think I'll slug under these, probably over when I'm done with it. And by slugging, I just mean putting a little thin layer of Vaseline under each eye. That's been very helpful. Wet the application side of the eye patches with water and wait 5 seconds before applying. Oh, I can see myself doing this all the time. Apply eye patches and wear for 10 to 20 minutes. Maybe we'll do this together. I'm not going to do this tonight, but maybe we'll do this together just to see how it goes. Remove mask and gently massage excess product into the skin. So I guess the product you put on already. Wash with warm water after use. You can use a light soap and make sure to dry thoroughly before placing back into package. And it's got a peel here on the back, so it's probably got some more information. And maybe we'll save that for the video when I actually use these with y'all. Yeah, we'll do that. I think that'll be neat. And then, what's next? This is, y'all are going to be so surprised. Not really. Rum Punch. In the matte lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, or Anastasia Beverly Hills. I like this matte lipstick okay because it's creamy. It's a creamy matte, and I like that. The other ones I've gotten to, I don't know if I'm even holding the right side up to y'all. I've gotten to a point in Rum Punch again. This is just the matte lipstick. I've gotten to a point where the dry doesn't work so well on my lips as it did when I was younger. And so I am comfortably easing into this phase of life. I just think the lipstick tube is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Just to look in your purse and see that. Either in your small cosmetic bag or whatever. And this is a matte, but it's super creamy. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. Oh, it's so creamy, y'all. That's the color Rum Punch. Hopefully that's getting a good... It's just not like any matte I think I've ever felt before, because it really does feel super smooth and it doesn't dry out. And it's easy to take off. It doesn't do a lot of like smear afterwards, you know. So that I was really excited about because those lipsticks are usually really expensive, and I think I got this for like $6. I think. Don't quote me on that. I will check if I can. But you know, I have gotten them for $6, and I'm pretty sure that was $6. But I really like these primarily because it's the only matte again that I use very often. And I think I just have one more thing in here or two. Sorry. Whoa. Ooh, it's exciting. It's all, ooh, they're doing fireworks for my makeup. Woo! Sorry, I just got a little crazy for a second. In a silly way, But I'm a silly goose, you know. Established 1968. Let me get the bubble wrap off of this. And we'll look, I know you know what I needed more of, which is palettes. Not really. Not really. But I went ahead, y'all, I could not pass it up. There were two. It was a deal where you got two. It's a Morphe 9W Smoke and Shadow with 9 shades that smoke it out. And I could use these like in a variety of ways. I don't just use them to make a smoky eye, but that's what that looks like. And then on the back, it has the little shades. How neat is that? And again, it's 9 shades. And if I open it up, I always like to see what these palettes look like. I think the packaging of palettes gets me a lot too. It says blend the rules. Blend, don't bend the rules. I like that. So yeah, this is the palette. And it's all bubble wrapped. And Morphe makes really good eyeshadow. So does Anastasia Beverly Hills. But I'll show you these inside. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, y'all, these are so pretty. Oh, they're pretty. Look at that silver. I can see myself doing so much with that. So again, the dark shades I'll use probably as a liner. Look at that. These two beautiful blues. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And I like blue eyeshadow with brown eyes. I like whatever you like to wear. I think looks beautiful on you. But for me, I like to do that. But they have some sparklies and some mattes. So that's really pretty. It is All Hours After Dusk, Wicked One, Feeling Moody, Steal Away, Dark Side, Silver Storm, Nightfall, Lights Off. So that's Lights Off. What a cool name for that because it's dark. And then the Silver Storm. Is that what that is? Yeah, Silver Storm. That's pretty. I can see myself using those a lot because I am going to try to use more of my palettes more often because what am I saving them for? Right? I'm not really, to be honest, at all. So I need to go ahead and use them and enjoy them because that's what they're here for. And I get these fantastic deals on them and they end up costing less than, sometimes a lot less than the drugstore brands. And there's nothing wrong with the drugstore brands, but sometimes you do get what you pay for, sometimes not. But sometimes you do. And I've kind of found the brands along the way that I find that to be the truth with. This is also, of course, Morphe. That was 9A, was it? No, 9W. And this is 9B. Matte Essentials Artistry Palette. So that's what that looks like. That palette box and simple... Oh, effortless, simple, effortless, timeless, limitless. And this is, again, a curated capsule of 9 warm, all matte shades. Builds, blends, and layers to create the foundation for endlessly wearable everyday looks. For bolder effects, they tell you that 18WT Matte Essentials Artistry Palette is a good one to have. But I'm not going to really go for the... Ooh, y'all, I'm going to have to get into this a different way. It's not doing as I thought. So here, this one isn't in bubble wrap. This is actually another cardboard thing, but it's taken care of really well. So that's the front of that. I don't know if I think I did. Yeah, I did. And then let's open that up and look at the, oh, look at those colors. Look at that beautiful, what is that, like a pumpkin? This, okay, the names of these, the 3 across the top are Eyelet Sundress Gingham. Then from this side, Paisley, Maxi Vintage, and then at the bottom, Ditzy Floral Mini. That's the, oh, this is gonna, and green is another color I like to use a lot, but I love all of these colors as I did the others, and I will end up using the heck out of these two to line, and I love that. I'm gonna play with that pumpkin. That's really, a velvety look. I also love gingham, and I think that's a really cute name for it. And all of them, the pinks, sundress, right? That's so cute. Eyelet, that's so pretty. So anyway, that's what that looks like. It's got a nice mirror on it, and that's Morphe. And again, they were really affordable. I got 2 of them for a super good deal. I'm going to try to remember to put this stuff away as I do it. I don't really need to keep the boxes. I do that. And it's just one more thing. You know, it may seem like it would be really cluttered here with all this stuff I seem to be getting. It's not, though. We try to get stuff out before we bring more stuff in. And this is either replacing or complementing things that we already have. So that's how we try to stay. I'm going to minimal a little bit. Not really minimal, but not maximal either. And we try to minimalize more as we go along. But again, I tend to use this stuff, and I don't need to keep this box either. That's not, just let the tube be the tube and not hang on to the boxes. So that was it for this little IPSY unboxing, unbagging, I guess is more like what it was, but I think I'll call it an unboxing. I also have with me tonight my Kindle. Yay! This has been so helpful with getting books on the Libby app. Libby. If you don't have the Libby app, that's a library app. Get a library card from your local library. It's very simple, and then they'll walk you through it at the library. Librarians are super helpful. And then get the books. You can read them on your phone too. You don't have to have a Kindle to do that. You can read them on the computer or on the phone. I have this new apple that I'm excited about. I can't remember the name of it, but it's like, I want to say it's Snapdragon, and that might be it, but it's supposed to be crunchy and sweet, so we're going to find out about that. And I'll try to remember to report back to the group. And I've got the Members Mark, the Better Nut Bar. And I probably won't eat all of this tonight, but we bring these things upstairs along with my teriyaki Paleo Valley beef stick. Finally got the teriyaki to show y'all. That's what that looks like. It is delicious and so good and organic and such a good price with the subscription. So the cool thing is I'll bring these up, and I may only have one of them as a snack, sometimes more than one, because I haven't had very much to eat today. But I will also keep them up here, and that way we don't have to go back and forth up and downstairs, which is kind of nice, I think. And this is what I'm probably going to have first because I'm excited to get this. So I hope that you have enjoyed this little break with me. I hope it transitioned you to another activity, or that you are able to transition into sleep after this and get into kind of a routine and a rhythm. Sometimes I find that there are certain YouTube channels that I like to watch later rather than earlier. And maybe I'm that for you, or maybe not. It just depends on when it fits into your day and how you like to watch YouTube. I am so excited that you're here. I'm so excited that we are 87 community members, subscribers. Proud. I'm so happy that each and every one of you are here. I hope you continue to watch the content. Let me know if there's content you'd like for me to create, and I'll be happy to try to do that the best that I can. I'm just so excited about our everyday joy and our everyday fun that we can have in this very simple way that doesn't have to be flashy or big in any way. It can be very calm and simple and silly. I like that. That's one of the reasons that it's about giddy things. I hope that you know how very loved you always are, and I hope that you will help me to go in peace and love to serve others.